Hello, my name is Nabajyoti, and today in this video we discuss a very important topic, which is boat and stream. Out of 20 to 30 question in any examination, there must one question come from this topic. That's why in this video we discuss very detailed manner of this topic, and we solve some questions related to that topic. Before discussing this question, we discuss some terminologies related to that boat and stream. Now, what are the terminology related to that topic? I write it down. Okay, first one is speed of boat. Okay, second one is speed of stream. Third one is downstream, and fourth one is upstream. Stream. Okay, what is speed of boat? The speed by which the boat travel. And what is stream? The speed of current or water is known as speed of stream. Okay, by using speed of boat and speed of stream, we find downstream and upstream. Okay, now we just discussed by a figure. Let us consider a river. Let us this current, this is a river water, okay, which is flowing in this direction. Okay, so what is the name of that current? Speed of stream. Let us represent the speed of stream or speed of water is u. Okay, so let us consider this is velocity u. Let us consider a boat which is flowing in this direction. Okay, let us consider in this direction. Both stream of water, stream and boat travel in same direction. Let us consider this is the boat. Okay, and let us consider velocity of the boat is v or speed of the boat is v. Okay, now what happened in this case? The case 1. Case 1. Okay, boat speed of boat and stream travel in same direction. Okay, speed of boat, no? both and stream travel in same direction. What happened in that case? Okay, in that case what happened, they both travel in faster. Okay, this both travel faster. Why? Because water pushes the boat. Okay, water pushes the boat in that direction. Water also, the water pushes the boat. Okay, let us draw the diagram. This water pushes the boat to travel faster. Boat has already speed v and stream has speed u. This stream speed applied to the boat. Okay, speed of the stream or energy of the stream applied to the boat. That's why boat travel in faster direction. Okay, that's why what happened in this case, why means both travel in that direction. Along with the water pushes the boat to travel faster. Okay, and what are the condition name? When boat and stream travel in same direction, in this case we known as it is called downstream. Okay, and second case, we consider second case. In second case what happened? Case 2. Okay, let us consider the boat travel in another direction. Suppose stream goes in that direction, but the boat travel in opposite direction. Let us consider this diagram. they both travel in that direction. Both travel in same speed v in opposite to the direction of water. Okay, yes, both and stream are different direction. Then what happened in this case? They both try to travel in this direction, but the water pushes they both to travel in that direction. Water pushes to that direction, but both travel in this direction. In this case, what happened? Both already travel in this direction, na? That's why v greater than u. V greater than u. That's why both travel. Unless both travel in this direction by slow speed. Okay, because this boat is try to travel in that direction, but water pushes the boat to that direction. If the boat travel whatever he want to travel in this direction, then the speed of means energy of the boat is more than energy of water. That's why velocity of the boat or speed of the boat is more than speed of stream. Okay, that's why in this case v is greater than v is greater than means boat speed of the boat is greater than speed of stream. In this case, what happened? Boat travel in slow direction. Okay, slow. So boat travel in faster or slower? Boat travel in slower. Why means both try to travel in that direction, but water pushes in that direction. Okay, what happened? Minus u. Okay, what is v speed? V minus u. And this case is known as which case is in this case is known as upstream. Okay, scale of upstream. Let us it is clear. Let us conclude. What happened if boat and stream travel in same direction, then speed increases. Whose speed increases? Speed of the boat increases, and in this case is known as downstream. And if boat and stream travel in opposite direction, then what happens? Speed of the boat is decreases, and this condition is known as upstream. Okay, upstream. And what happened in downstream? They both try to travel which direction? Water also given energy to travel the boat in faster. That's why this speed is added. Okay, and in downstream case, both try to travel in different direction, but water pushes the boat try to travel in opposite direction. That's why the speed of the stream is minus. Okay, minus is called subtract. Okay, now we conclude some formulas from that. Okay, let us conclude in this space. Okay, okay, the formula I already say both speed of stream, downstream, upstream. If speed of both is u, or in this case we can say v, speed of stream is u, then what is the downstream? Speed of both plus speed of stream. And what is the upstream? Speed of both minus speed of stream. Okay, in upstream case, in both both downstream and upstream, v greater than u we consider. Okay, if v less than u, what happen? Whatever direction stream travel, in this direction both also travel if v less than u. Okay, okay, this condition we does not consider in exam, means there is no question come from that question, from that condition. Okay, now you memorize it, v minus u. Now we find that formula. Okay, we find if, now if downstream and upstream is given, upstream is given, then how to find speed of stream and speed of boat? Okay, downstream speed means what? V plus u. Upstream speed means what? V minus u. Downstream, upstream. If from equation 1 and equation 2, from equation 1 to equation 2 we minus it. Okay, then what come? V minus u minus v minus u equal to d minus u. Okay, and what happened? Let's see. V minus plus d minus u. So v cancel, 2u equal to d minus u. So u equal to d minus u by 2. If both downstream and upstream speed is given, then you just minus downstream to upstream and half it. Then we find speed of stream. And how to find speed of both? Let added 1 and 2. 1 and 2 add, just that. So v plus u equal to d plus u plus what, right? D v plus v minus u. Just added 1 and 2. So what? 1 v plus u plus d, again I write d minus u to d plus u. How to find? V plus u plus u, v minus u equal to d plus u. Both u and u cancel, 2v, v equal to 2. Okay, okay, then v equal to what we did? Both upstream and downstream speed are added, then half it. And what is speed of stream? How to find? If downstream and upstream is given, then d minus u divided by 2. Okay, let us conclude it by ratio. Find some ratios. Okay, by using how to find downstream, upstream, if anything is given. Okay, if this given, we have to find this and this, then there is a formula, both add and subtract. If that both are in this, these are given, then how to find this and this? By using that formula. Okay, okay, now we consider ratios formula. Okay, find by ratios, by ratio. Okay, I must write here. Where I write? Okay, I erase some portions. Okay, in this right, in this portion I write. Ratio. His speed of stream is, I write v speed of stream, then we have to find downstream and upstream. Let us consider speed of stream ratios. Ratio of speed of boat and speed of stream is 3. Then what is the speed of downstream? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. And what is upstream? What is upstream? Let us consider it is 3, it is 2. Okay, because v is always greater than u, we consider, and v minus u equal to 1. Okay, okay, and that's why that's the formula. Okay, if v and u we have to find, and d and u is given, let us consider downstream is 6, upstream is 2. And how to find v? How to find v? 6 plus 2 divided by 2. What happens? 6 plus 2, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. What is option? 6 minus 2 divided by 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Okay, this is the ratio. Okay, now we discuss some questions and we try to find whatever asking in this question. In this question, what asks? It takes a man 6 hours to row a boat 24 kilometers upstream to cover a distance 36 kilometers in downstream in 6 hours. What will be the speed of man in still water? A man who is travel in a boat, okay, 24 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. Total hours is 6 kilometer. The man covered 24 kilometer in which speed? In how many hours? 6 hours. Why you discuss that? Because speed equal to distance upon time. Okay. Now time equal to distance divided by speed. Okay. These are the two formula. Or you can write T D S. T D S. T means time, D means distance, S means speed. Okay. It's 6 hours to row about 24 kilometer upstream. That's why what is the upstream speed? What is the upstream speed? Upstream speed total distance covered divided by total time, then speed come, which speed is come? Upstream. Okay, upstream 6 4 গুণ 24, then 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, unit of the speed is kilometer per hour and SI unit is meter per second. And what is the downstream? 36 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. 36 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. And what is the speed of downstream? 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, then what will be the speed of man in still water? What is the speed of man? If this is the stream, travel in that direction, stream is travel in that direction, let us consider speed of stream is u. The man, in this case we did not consider boat, we consider man. A man in still water. What is this mean? Still water means we have to find the speed of boat, in this case the speed of man. Okay, still water means this in this stream did not apply force to that man in this case. Okay, now what is the speed of the still water? Then still water means speed of the man. Then how to find the speed of the man? Speed of man or speed of what we get? Speed of boat. So how to find speed of boat? Speed of boat or speed of man or boat. If boat is given, then d plus u divided by 2, d plus u divided by 2, then 6 plus 4 divided by 2, 6 plus 4 10 divided by 2 equal to 5 kilometer per hour. And what is the speed of speed of stream? If you can find speed of stream, then what happen? D minus u divided by 2, d minus u divided by 2, then y 6 minus 4 divided by 2 equal to 6 minus 4 to 2 divided by 2 equal to 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, now consider this question. A speedboat goes 7 kilometer upstream in 42 minutes while the speed of stream is 3 kilometer per hour. What will be the speed of the boat in still water? Okay, in this case what happened? The stream in 42 minutes, upstream speed, let us consider upstream speed. What happened? Upstream speed means 7 kilometer in 42 minutes. Here units is different, here kilometer, here minute. And answer is given in hour. That's why we change this minute to hour. How to change? 60 minute means 1 hour. Okay, and then 42 minute, how many hour? 42 cross 1 cross 42 hour divided by 60. Okay, means 42 divided by 60. Okay, 7 kilometer divided by 42 upon 60 hour. Then what happened? 42 divided by this multiplication, this means this division is convert into multiplication, then denominator come into numerator and 42 denominator. Okay, then 7 6 are 42, 6 10 ja 10 kilometer per hour. Speed of the upstream is 10 kilometer per hour. Here is given speed of stream. Speed of stream means u 3 kilometer per hour. And what will be the speed of boat in still water? Let us speed of boat. Speed of boat means v. We have to find v. Okay, how to find v? Upstream. Upstream means upstream. Okay, upstream means what? Downstream minus what? Downstream means v minus u. Okay, upstream. Upstream means how much? 10 kilometer per hour. V means we don't know, and u means 3. So what happened? V equal to 10 plus 3 equal to 13 kilometer per hour, and this is the answer. We find this other formulas also. Let us consider. Now apply some another method. Okay, or here we have to know u, v. How to find downstream? Downstream means v plus u or u plus v, and upstream v minus u. Here given u equal to 3. V we don't know. U means how much? 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kilometer per hour. This. Okay. Now what happened? U means how to find v? How to find v means v minus u equal to 10. Then what happened to v? Which number v we should consider? So that v to u, you have to minus v to u, then the result comes 10. Then what happened to v? 13. It is direct approach. Okay, 13 minus 3 equal to 10. And what is value of downstream? Then 13 plus 6 equal to 16. Okay, 16 kilometer per hour. But in this question we have to ask speed of still water. What is the speed of the boat in still water? What is the speed of the boat in still water? Is 13 kilometer per hour. Okay, if question already given down upstream speed of the stream, if the question asks what is the value of the downstream, then it result will be 16 kilometer per hour. But in this question it just asks speed of boat in still water, then we have the answer 13 kilometer per hour. Okay, thank you.